Hello mga ka-journey, welcome to my channel. Today I will going to show you how to make chocolate chip biscuit. So please keep on watching. And I will show you all these ingredients. I have butter here, plain flour, brown and white sugar, we have chocolate chips, we have vanilla, and 1 egg. Now we're going to first procedure. Okay, the first procedure that we are going to make is needed to put these things away, and I think you could not be able to see me if I would be doing that. We needed to make it sure that you could see what exactly am I doing. So first step is to there. So I have a softened butter here. I just needed to mix until it's fluffy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the amount ingredients on the screen later on. This recipe actually will recommend it to all the family out there who have little children. So now the butter is nice and fluffy. Let's see. It's time for us to add the egg. And the sugar together, and the vanilla, about 1 tablespoon. Then mix it together. At this part, you don't need to over mix it. You just needed to make it sure that all your sugar will be dissolved or blended together into your batter. And you needed to have a spatula get ready on your side as well. Now it's nice and fluffy, nice and blending. See this part? That's how we want to mix it. Now at this part, time to add the flour. Get able to put it everything on your bowl. Then just mix it by folding it together with the flour and your wet ingredients with your butter. At this part, we are making a very soft dough. soft and wet. Now that our butter and flour are mixed, it's time to add our chocolate chips. Put it together. Just fold it. Good. Now we are done. That's how easy it is. It's a very simple recipe, but it tastes good. Children like to eat, not even children, also adult. Usually I make these chips for the children. Here you go. We are done. And I will show you how I prepare and put it into the baking tray. Of course, that I always does is to clean my pans always while I am doing something here at the kitchen, because I don't really like a mess. So whenever I finish, I needed to clean it up straight away. And I needed to move you to the other side so you could able to see how I am going to put it on the baking tray. So I have prepared this baking tray with baking parchment. This is a baking paper. And this is now our soft dough. Yeah. I don't know if you could able to see me. But anyway, you don't really need to see me with what exactly am I doing. So I have this. It will not be easy to make this. So I have this teaspoon, big one. So I will scoop some of our dough at this amount. You can see. And of course I have a clean hand, so it will be easy for me to do this. And put here on the parchment. Just keep repeating in the same process. I needed to go into the oven for about 12 minutes. Then of course you will expect that your hand will be like this. It mess. But that is okay. So at this amount, you could able to make it about 24 pieces if you will follow the amount that I am making, the size of I am making. Then you can have 24 chocolate chip biscuit. But if you would like to make it a smaller, then you could able to do that as well. And tomorrow I will be making pancake again, which I already have that video when I made it. So here you go, it's ready. We just needed to arrange it properly because they are close together. Because while it's baking, it will be spread as well. It will expand it, so you need to make it sure that they have the right amount of space to each other. Here how it look like, and then it's ready to go into the oven. Let me wash my hand. You know what I did not do, guys? Prepare my oven, so I forgot to turn on. So I needed to wait for 5 minutes. I will turning on now, but I needed to wait for 5 minutes to get heated. Alright, while we are waiting that oven to be heated for 5 minutes, and I will updating you again later on and show you how it's look like after cooking. So if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button para ma-notify kayo kung meron tayong mga bagong video na maia-upload. At maraming salamat. I will updating you again later after it baking. Okay guys, after 10 minutes, ayan na siya. Ito na yung biscuit natin. So meron pa po tayong hindi natatapos dito. So ulitin natin yung the same process what we did a while ago before with this batch. So maybe there's another batch here. This how it looks like when it finished. So we just needed to wait for 2 minutes on the pan because we just took it out from the oven. So when we taking it out straight away, this is very soft at the moment, so we're just leaving it there for 2 minutes. Then we can transfer it into wire rack, or call this one cooling rack. This one we will transferring here after 2 minutes into this pan. This is it. You can see. So just underneath, you can see it's just a nice brown. This is very light, but kind of soft on the top and crispy on the bottom. That is perfect. So hopefully you guys will like it and try this recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and don't forget to click the notification button and the bell button to notify you whenever I have a new video to upload it. Thank you for watching. See you until my next video. Bye.